my name's Pete Dawe and I'm the Managing Director and owner of Ocean Edge Plumbing. We're a Mandurah-based company, been here for the last 25 years. We're sort of a small commercial mining company we do. A lot of remote stuff, build mine sites. This is a school project we're doing now. So we were asked to put in some sort of stormwater retention. Originally it was going in another location further over on the school, but there's some issues with retaining walls. So yeah, it was designed by one of the engineers. We contacted you guys to look at it for us and put something together. Installed most of it yesterday. Yeah, top quality product. I really enjoyed putting it in. I think it's probably, yeah, it's the best we've ever used. Yeah, it clips together nicely, it's stable. Definitely need to use some more of it. Yep, hopefully tonight we'll have it backfilled up to road-based level and yeah, the guys can finish off the bitumen. Yeah, definitely recommend this to other people. Yeah, other plumbing companies, builders and yeah, hydraulic consultants that definitely get on board with this. Yeah, it's good.